हेलो हेलो आई वेलकम यू टू सोल स्टेप। कैसे हैं आप लोग? हम रीडिंग करने वाले हैं वो इस वक्त आपके बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं। कुड बी यू, कुड बी द पर्सन यू थिंकिंग अबाउट। जैसे भी ये रेजोनेट करे, टाइटल जब भी अट्रैक्ट करता है आपको तो ऑब्वियसली इस रीडिंग में आपके लिए ज़रूर कुछ है, राइट? टेरो इज़ लाइक मिस्टिकल नॉलेज, इट्स अबाउट प्रिडिक्शन। हो सकता है होने वाला हो, ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी है, कुछ चल रहा हो, राइट, जो आपको बहुत क्लैरिटी में वो दिखाता है। सो करंट एनर्जीज, सपोर्टिंग एनर्जीज, नेक्स्ट 48 आवर्स, व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस यू नीड टू सी। वो क्या सोच रहे हैं आपके बारे में? लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी, वी यूजिंग द राइट अवे। Okay, I'm also going to pull out the tarot of sexual wisdom as well a little, so that we get a fair idea as to what is the heightened thought process that they have. Okay, so we'll do your feelings, okay, versus their feelings. तो ऐसे करते हैं या see, my spirit guides are talking to me, they're sending me messages as I'm shuffling, they're telling me go with the free flow. So I'll see जैसे भी स्प्रेड आएगा। So वो क्या सोच रहे हैं आपके बारे में, ये जिनके बारे में आप सोच कर रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, what are the messages you need to see right now. Let's get going. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा चैनल को गाइस, एंड स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। कोविड है, अपने लव्ड वंस का ख्याल रखिए एंड ट्राई एंड हेल्प पीपल who need help because that's very important. Okay, ज़ोडिएक के नंबर्स अगर बात करेंगे तो ज़रूर करेंगे, बट क्योंकि ये डिवाइन रीडिंग होती है, साइकिक रीडिंग होती है, इंट्यूटिव, सो इसमें इतना नहीं होता, बट हाँ एक्सटेंडेड में ज़रूर बात करता है। So the messages I need to say, Michael Gabriel, they've asked me to stop for the soul tribe watching, जिनके साथ ये रेजोनेट करती है रीडिंग। क्वीन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स और द बॉटम ऑफ द डेक। आई एम गोना, ये मैं कट करूँगी इन सम टाइम। पहले हम टेरो ऑफ सेक्सुअल विजडम से आपका स्प्रेड देखते हैं। आई एम गोना पुल आउट 3 कार्ड्स and their energies, and then we'll see how they're going to come around. Mainu gucciya di lod nahi, something like that. There's a song, I think, they don't want fancy stuff, they want you. I want you babe, ऐसा कुछ song है, UB40 का भी है। I want you girl, I'm forgetting, maybe there's a song, I'm really missing out on the lyrics, but do check out, okay? And I'm sure there's something in that reading for you. What are the messages we need to see? They're really attracted to you physically. What are their thoughts physically, emotionally, how they feel connected to you? Let's see, what do they want to do to you? Yeah, a little naughty, keep in view. Okay, let's see. What are their desires really? I'm getting a song. Ooh la la la, ooh, ooh la la la, ooh la 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 la. A bit too many, so that's why I had to pick one because there were 5 of them there, so I couldn't have it. So let me just put this up for you. It's just so amazing, and they're holographic. I don't know whether you'll be able to see them clearly or not, but this is like someone who's very abundant, like an empress energy. Very attractive, very hot, very very charming, and the person you thinking about is really desiring you, and or maybe whichever way, जैसे भी आप देखना चाहें, very desirable, very very desirable, and wow, in control, wants to be in control all the time, right? So let's see what else. I told you at the bottom that we have the Queen of Pentacles here as well. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, definitely you guys are. Or maybe you're dealing with somebody who's a Taurus, who's a Virgo, who's a Capricorn. Very strong, very clear, very clever. Clever as in like notoriously clever. And I think they love to play around big time with you. They like to nudge you, touch you, feel you, and do a lot of things to you. More like a masculine energy that we see here. So yeah, the feminine energy is in control, really in control. And we have this. I'm trying, it's not focusing, but we can see it now. So it's more like, leaning on to the masculine energy and saying, you know what, soak me into love and take me into love, that kind of vibe. Yeah, so again, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy with the Knight of Pentacles. Slow, steady building up with a balance, because control, a lot about control. I want to do this, I want to do that kind of vibe. But they really want to do something. Now that's what needs to be seen. Hallelujah. So it's like the person is saying कि कहाँ जाएंगे, कहीं नहीं, because they know, you are the one for them. Let's see. What are the messages we need to see again? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. क्या सोच रहे हैं आपके बारे में? What are they thinking? Yeah. So the first part I kept it in English a little because obviously it was a little explicit, right? So इसलिए, and this channel is actually viewed by youngsters as well. I hope not children, but there are youngsters, right? So keeping in view, let's see this hot desirable woman and the man. Ooh, high level of commitments are at play and they want to step up. It is like even in regard to your physical. I'm going to keep the reading in English only, sorry, but yeah, and I'm going to use those tags only. So they really want to go up because they know you have the keys. They sure know you have the key, you both in fact. And there are changes around here because now the game is going to switch. Venus is around, it's going to play around with Jupiter, okay? So when Venus and Jupiter, when they come around, there's a lot of abundance, there's a lot of fun, there's a lot of making merry, there's a lot of feelings and desires, and that kind of game is on. So this is like amazing for now, what they're thinking about you and what are their energies and things like that. With the with the Page of Wands, maybe it's also about waiting, like someone has been waiting, like really waiting here and has been in control and balance, that okay, with the COVID maybe there's distance, there's that kind of energy playing, but they're saying that it is just panning out your way, the union is right close. So with the Page of Wands, it's saying that it's coming around naughty, nice, naive, and the cute kind of vibe. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. They're saying that it's just round the corner. Could be a Taurus that we're really talking about, and very strong, very into the game kind of person who knows, wants to have all the fun, has the naughty side to the person, and with that has a lot of emotions also. With the Page of Cups, very earnest, very genuine, it's like could be your feeling, could be other person's feelings, that's how you see the person cross watcher. So it's about the control, the balance. Oh, I've been waiting for such a long time and I wanted to do this and do that with you and blah blah. With the Page of Cups, they're saying that ooh, it's all coming into place. With the Page of Wands, all the naughtiness, all the funk, all that you want to do in and around with the person, that is just gonna happen. So rock and roll is around the corner, so you don't have to worry one bit, really. And with the Queen of Pentacles, they're saying that whoever you're thinking about will be in your feet. See, will be in your feet, doing all that you desire, all that you ask for. Okay. and they'll make you feel really special, very special, like something with amazing set of rosary around you, flowers around you. You'd smell really well. Someone would be really attracted to you big time, big time. And they'll say it out loud. They won't think twice, they would just say it out loud. With the magician, what else do we need? Nothing, right? It is like you're the manifestor. This is an Aquarian card for me. This is an Aries card for me. A Gemini as well. That's how I see it. You can make the most of it because you are going forward with it with sheer understanding and clarity that you know what, this is how it's going to be, and you find the person, you think the person is the right fit for you. See how they both are like smoldering and they're together. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but you know, they are smoldering and they are together, leaning into each other, and that's the kind of vibe. So they're definitely there with you, for you, and they know that this is going to be very, very hot and very rocking kind of time that you're gonna have. Taurus, Gemini energy, Emperor, somebody who knows the game, is not really a page or a knight, but is the Emperor material. And you maybe are the Empress by the end of that, and this could be a very strong equation. So do watch the other readings, and we have the Lovers in the bottom of the deck. So there's a lot of love, a lot of passion, a lot of desire to really make it work for you guys. And that's why I think they told me to go with a free spread, you know. And yeah. So what I really see here is about, as we started the reading, वो आपके बारे में इस वक्त क्या सोच रहे हैं, या what are you thinking about the person or the person you thinking about. Current energies, supporting energies, you know, next 48 hours, soulmate, twin flame, love, whichever way you want to take it. This is hot, this is steamy, is how I'm going to put it. Okay, rest you can fix, you or them. You fix the reading for yourself, but I think it's going to be extremely hot, it's going to be extremely passionate, it's going to be very steamy, and someone who knows how to make you happy, someone who's got all the tools, the tricks to make this whole thing going. Okay, they're really missing you, they really want to unite with you, they want you back, they really want you back, and they're coming in with this little offer, which is not really little because this is big, with the Hierophant and the Emperor, knowing the shit that I know. I mean, this is what I want. By the end of the, you fulfill me, you complete me. I want you, babe. That's how this is talking to me. This is a soulmate kind of vibe as well. This is a strong relationship on the horizon, wherein, you know, higher level of commitments are being raised and asked. And also what I sense is that, you know, like I said, you know, passion, pleasure, all together, everything in the mix. So you can, whatever you had possibly manifested is really coming around, guys, for some people. And ooh, this is like to become one kind of vibe, and someone who knows that how to, you know, bring the masculine energy to the point, to the T. My feminine energies just know that really well. They know their worth, they know how to keep themselves and well balanced. Have been waiting for a long time, so obviously now it's their time to enjoy the ride, right? So yeah, so when you guys are gonna come together, it's going to feel very amazing, very out of this world, very sun and moon kind of vibe, wherein you both would really complement each other, would bring about the best in each other. And I wish you luck. So whatever happens, let me know. It seems very hot, very steamy, very passionate, very loving, very impressive, and very committed as well. So whoever resonates with the reading, let me know. Give me a like and subscribe, and share the reading too. Okay, until I see you the next time. My new joiners, I love you so much. My old joiners, thank you for supporting, and keep sharing this reading specifically in English, because obviously a little explicit content this reading had, but as I said, it is going to be lovely, amazing one, really, in and out, super hot. Okay, bye for now, until I see you. Bye.